I mean, I think it's pretty obvious the answer for everybody, right?
I mean, whoa, I was not under that.
That was really obvious.
I already know who I'm voting for.
Me too.
Uno, dos.
Hi, you guys. How you doing?
Good.
What do you guys all have in common?
We're people.
Yeah. Humans.
Human beings.
Is everyone
Yes.
here a YouTuber? Everyone does YouTube?
I
have an account.
What is YouTube like right now?
It's not what it used to be, that's for sure.
A tad bit terrifying.
Sad place.
Definitely not at the peak.
It's dark.
It reminds me of like an empty desert, you know,
I
with
agree,
like a
yeah.
tumbleweed.
Yes.
Yeah. My page is that tumbleweed. That's my.
Oh.
I haven't posted on there in years.
It's a beautiful place with beautiful people.
Wow, nice, positive. No room for that.
Sounds
Should
like
go.
she's making a lot of money on YouTube, guys.
That is something that a Google preferred partner would say.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Google
Yeah.
preferred for sure.
The game is $1,000 goes to one person. You decide who leaves with $1,000. We're going to do 4 elimination rounds. If no one can decide, no one gets the money.
Ooh.
Oh, I will share it with everyone.
I feel like we should state our reasons, like for why we need the money. So,
okay.
on a real note, like my mom was diagnosed with heart failure, like during the pandemic, and then like was devastated because she like didn't want to quit her job because she loves her job. So then she was like in UCLA hospital. Like I literally thought she was gonna die, and then miraculously she got better. So she went back to her job that was promised to her, and they said, "Oh, because of the pandemic, we don't have your position anymore."
Oh.
So I've been like literally paying to like keep my mom like to be, you know, okay and like eat and stuff. So I would give it to her. So yeah.
Hello, my name is Alex. I thought about it on the way here because, like, I don't think any of us don't like desperately need the 1,000, but there is a reason why I would like it. It's because I have this best friend, and we grew up together, and he's just like, the one word I would use to describe him is like a noble guy. So he won't let me pay for anything, nothing. We were together every day. We used to live together, and then I moved to LA like 7 years ago, and he's never been here because he won't let me buy him a ticket, and he can't afford a ticket. So if I win, I would show him this video and be like, look, man, it's not my money. I won this money so that I could buy your ticket to come here. So hopefully I could talk him into it because I've been trying to get him to come for years, and I miss him.
I don't go anywhere because I don't have
I sit in
$1,000.
Okay, you go.
Yeah, what you got?
My name is Spence. I would like the $1,000 because I have a lot of problems. One of them is I get really nervous with speaking in front of people, and I want to take a class to teach myself public speaking.
I don't think a class would cost us that much. But
Well, we all know who we're voting out.
yeah.
Hello, my name is Tila. Due to the pandemic, my sister was laid off and she's currently staying with my family, and she's just like trying to figure out what she wants to do, and I definitely think like $1,000 would go so far for her, and I think she would appreciate it so much, and I love her and I've always looked up to her, so I would 100% give it
Why
to
don't you just give your own money? Why would you need the 1,000? Why can't you give the 1,000?
Yeah,
And better yet at that, why wouldn't you give her more than 1,000? I mean, am I wrong here, guys?
Yeah, true.
Right? I mean, I'm even willing to. I'm not.
Oh,
I'm just
so
saying.
you have all the coin in the world. I just
I have
got
Bitcoin.
an apartment
I have
times
Bitcoin.
are,
That's saying something.
My answer is my sister. Don't hate.
You go.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, you
What
go.
you
You
got?
seem like you
Yes.
have a lot to say.
A lot to say.
You probably have
A lot
you
to
probably
say,
have a.
mister.
Very rich.
That's off-white, isn't it?
This is off-brand. This is not off-white.
You sure? Because that's giving me off-white.
Well, I got it from a friend, so.
Sure.
So my
looks
name's
like
Adam. First off, nice to meet you guys. I don't think I've met everyone here. I'll get right into it. My cat has had back problems since it was a kitten.
Not the cat.
It sounds so fake.
I'm a
like
dog
my
person.
hamster,
dog
like has a back.
Thank you. My cat's name is Sandy.
Oh, this is real.
Sandy.
Oh, okay, now I feel really
My cat
asshole.
has had back problems since it was a kitten, and the doctor, like the vet, literally told us that his spine is shaped like a hockey stick, like literally like this.
Oh.
So, because of his spine being shaped like that, he can't actually sit. Like my cat hasn't sat in years. So like,
Can you-
imagine like being on all fours constantly. So like literally, my cat sleeps standing up. Well,
Can you
he
get-
sleeps like this. And then when he wakes up in the morning, he wakes up just like this, like literally doesn't move. It's like it's really tough to see.
How does he jump?
I have a video. I can show you guys after.
I know
He
this
doesn't
surgery. It's a
jump. He
$50
literally- so, like,
surgery.
he's constantly all not
I'm
fake.
Patrick Starr. I have a friend. He's real. And he's a longtime friend of like a decade, and he works with me. And I want to help him get on his feet. And he's HIV positive. So paying for the medication, getting on his own feet, working with me. I think it's time for him to have like his own career and his own jobs.
Wow, that's a pretty good one. Pretty good one.
Hi everyone, my name is Morgan. I'm gonna be honest. I think if I had a friend who was in dying need of $1,000, I would have just given him $1,000 already.
Great point.
I agree.
So I'm gonna give an honest answer.
Points were made.
This is the thing, right? I'm a little scared because I saw this video through Cody Ko's like That's Cringe video. So if we end up on Cody Ko's That's Cringe and he's talking about how cringy I am, I'm gonna need like hella therapy. So that's what I would use $1,000 for.
Okay.
Yes, we
Thank
love
you.
it. I already know who I'm voting for.
Me too. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious the answer
I
for
think it's
everybody,
obvious.
right? I mean,
Whoa, I was not under that.
That was really obvious.
I'm a little nervous.
I think it's obvious.
One vote for Spencer.
It's not looking good for me.
It's just the beginning.
100% for me.
Adam.
what the hell? What the hell's wrong with you people?
Acting class man.
So Spencer, sorry.
Spence.
Oh, rough for Spence.
Morgan.
Okay.
So
Morgan with the
Looks like she used her own pen.
You wrote yourself. You voted for yourself.
I don't think I deserve it. I didn't have a heartfelt story.
Oh, that's really good.
Wow, she's trying to play the long game. She's playing the long con right now.
That's good. That's good.
Spencer.
Trying to win points.
She's trying to reverse psychology.
And
Get out of my
Spencer.
head.
Sorry, Spencer,
Spence.
you're out.
I appreciate that.
Let's grab some food after this. Oh wait, you can't.
I don't have any money.
I'm so sorry.
I was the first person voted off. Doesn't feel good. Clearly went with the wrong strategy.
Obviously, the next easy bet is right here. She already said it herself, right? Like she wants to be out. She doesn't want the 1,000.
If you don't believe in
let's
yourself,
not.
it's hard to believe.
Let's not force her,
I'll
right?
sacrifice. See you guys.
Oh, wow. Damn.
Well, I mean, I think the way you told her was kind of rude. Maybe you should exit next because.
Well, I just wanted to respect her mental health.
Well, I voted myself out because I think I'm rooting for Patrick in this. I think he gave the most genuine speech.
How are we gonna do this
Okay,
thing?
I think we should, like, in my opinion, like, whoever is, like, wearing the most expensive thing.
I mean, no, because there's gifts. People
He
give
smells
gifts.
expensive.
I feel like
if it's
this
a
ring
gift-
right
natural
here
scent,
looks
guys.
pretty expensive.
Look at Tila's fingers.
She has Cartier on her wrist.
Oh my God.
She has to go.
Oh, look at the
She has
shoes.
to
You could have
go.
gave one of those shoes.
And the shoes.
This is from Instagram.
Did you get your hair done just for this?
What car do you drive?
What car did I drive here?
No, what car do you have?
He drives a Bentley. I seen it.
Oh, actually, I don't drive a Bentley.
What do you
I
drive?
have a Bentley.
You're
What
looking.
is this? When you
Look at
have
this.
trash in your car.
Yeah, there's
Look at the
tons of
car.
trash.
See the car.
There's
That's an expensive.
Look at the
Look at the red. Look at the red
the
There's
red
tons of
interior.
trash. That red is from ketchup.
Adam, your feed is looking very rich.
She's got 20K worth. She's driving
from
people's
years
cars on her
ago.
fingers, guys.
Was it-
I
is it
just
rental?
don't get why we only looked at my Instagram.
We were looking for the cat. You said
Yeah,
look at the
I
cat.
I'll show the cat right now. You want me to show the cat?
Yes.
Yeah, where's
Stop
your
me like
cat?
that.
Where's the cat?
That's an off-white jacket. That's like
Oh, he's getting this one.
$4,000 for that jacket.
He's about
Yep.
to- he's about to
I'm wearing Forever 21.
Wait, guys, this hoodie. I just looked up off-white hoodie. $580.
Okay. So my cat 3 years ago broke his spine. Well, yeah, it's public online, guys.
Google image.
Listen,
We have a spot for you, Adam.
finish?
Okay, I'm ready to read the vote.
If he could sit, I wouldn't even want him to sit with you guys because I don't think he deserves it.
Adam.
By mathematics, I lost.
I love you, Sammy. We will get through.
It's whatever. I don't know if you guys ever seen cat shaming. That's what it looks like. I'm not gonna just go off and say that everybody on the couch is an idiot because I don't want to offend anybody because there's possibly a chance I get voted back on the couch. So until then,
That's how this works.
Wait, when was the last time like everyone uploaded a YouTube video?
It's been a while. Really? It's been like 3 weeks.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I took a
Mine
break
was like
actually,
2 weeks.
and I've been going through some stuff, so trying to figure it out.
How many views did it get?
Like 200,000?
No, it's
Yeah.
gotta get more.
No.
Wait, why are we picking our engagement?
I
I
don't
guess
know.
I'll leave.
No, literally,
I get it. Well, it's like if you're getting that engagement, like when was your last brand deal? You know?
Oh. When?
Well, Patrick has a whole makeup line in Sephora.
Oh,
that I have
in
to pay
store?
for.
No products, no merch.
I don't.
No merch, nothing.
I shut down my merch store during the pandemic.
Oh.
I just want to take a break from it. It was doing okay.
At least you had a merch store.
I did.
Yeah.
Past tense.
I never released merch.
I bought MyLifeAsEva presets, so I beg to differ.
Oh, I do have presets.
I did too. My brother brought that.
The presets are selling like hotcakes. What can I say? I'm at lifeaseva.com presets. Wait, how many rooms is your house? How many bedrooms?
Your house is freaking huge.
He has a 5-bedroom house. I know.
Yeah,
And
but
it's
that,
so, you
that's-
have a smart house.
And
I'm
you
still
pay
paying
this-
for it.
You look really rich, but
Yeah.
you have a house.
That,
And
I
you're-
put
he has a
all
smart
my money,
house.
All my money's in that house. That's all I have.
Wait, what car do you drive?
I lease a car. I don't even own a car.
I mean, I lease my car.
I think
I've
so.
never owned a
What
car.
car do you drive?
It's
in
a
the video.
little black car.
What car do you drive?
It's a tiny. It's barely even
What
a car.
car
like
do
a
you
Maserati.
What
drive?
car is it? Instagram?
Look at that's his kitchen.
I got
That's his
one
kitchen.
house.
That's his kitchen.
That is my kitchen.
At least you have a kitchen.
That's the nicest kitchen. I literally saved photos of those kitchens.
But yeah, but look at the likes. I bet you guys haven't
With
posted
bar stools.
Didn't Ava just post on Instagram that she bought a house or
No,
in cash?
I pulled out of the deal.
How much do you sell your house for?
Well,
Over
not as much
2
as I
million?
could have. No.
Over 1 million?
Yeah.
So you have over $1 million in your bank account right now.
For another house.
Damn, they're rich. I want to go
Must
back
be
in.
nice.
Objection. You guys are fighting about Cartier rings and he's hungry.
You can't eat Cartier rings. Okay, how about this? How about we let them vote this round? Because we're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, though.
Can we vote any of ourselves to come?
No.
Just asking.
Oh, they're already writing.
I know it's gonna be me.
T-Law. T-Law.
Okay. That's one way to spell my name.
T-Law.
Uh-oh.
Tila. Love you, Sammy. Tila, no.
Get your rich ass over there.
I am not rich.
I bet she's gonna
I'm
walk
well
rich.
to do, but
Watch
I'm
how
not
she
rich.
walks. She walks so rich. Wow, that was so graceful. Look at that. I told you.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Honestly, it's whatever. Yeah, I'm voting for Alex.
Alex, because like his house tour, look, he's got even a TV rig already ready.
In the patio.
In the patio. And look at that landscaping. That's a fancy house.
I worked hard for that house. I'm still paying it off.
Yeah, very
Not even
YouTuber.
close. I feel like if Ava wins, this whole thing is rigged because she's
Well-
making money from this video and we're not.
Listen, okay? I just got back into YouTube 3 months ago. The algorithm hasn't picked me up yet. So this video could pop off or it could flop. So I could be losing money double on this video if I lose.
Yeah.
You're
Did
still
any of you guys
making
get paid for
money.
this? I didn't either.
Sell the Prada boots.
My
Oh.
no, I got them on a sale.
These are
Yeah.
Prada. These are.
What about you, Patrick?
I want to win for my friend.
Yeah, but like
For my friend.
I don't know.
Your guys' reasons are good reasons, but you can pay for that stuff.
Listen, I already actively am paying thousands of dollars for my mom to like be alive.
Me too.
Zachary, if you're watching this, his name is Zachary Douglas Baker. He's a new father. If you're watching this, I'm trying my best.
You want to take him away from his newborn? Is that what you want?
No, if I get economy, I could bring his newborn too.
Yep.
All right, just remember, vote your strongest opponent out because you're gonna beat the weak opponent. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, hold on. Let me stretch.
Alex.
Stretch it out. Oh, that's me out? Oh, no.
Alex.
All right. Sorry, Zach. I tried. Wow. Okay. All right. Hey, can I come over here, guys? Oh, guys, I missed you. You guys are more my people.
We're all losers.
I didn't.
Sorry.
Okay, so this is the final round. I think we should invite everyone else back. You guys want to come back on the couch?
I knew it would happen. I told you guys.
Congratulations, you guys, for making it to the end. This is what we all wanted, but only 2 of you got it.
You guys should vote so we can take you out to eat.
Well, all I'm gonna say is like if I got the money, like it's already gonna go like to my mom.
And if I win, it's gonna go to my friend.
But I'm already like set up in payment plans.
You should sell.
She's gonna Venmo herself.
No, I'll just keep the money and it'll leave later.
I think
Pretty sure.
we can all agree that we will accept bribes.
Okay, if I win,
What can you do for us?
I will give you guys all $50 gift cards to Chipotle.
Oh, that's a good
I
love Chipotle. I'm pretty hungry now.
Then what happens to your mom?
She gets Chipotle too.
She gets half of it.
I'll cater Chipotle right now.
Oh, right now.
I was gonna cater it now.
Oh, shit.
Let's all go to Chipotle, y'all.
Here, I'll read them out.
You read them.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, 5 votes, 2 people left. Here we go. First one, Ava scratched out. Patrick scratched out. Back to Ava.
I
It's
didn't know
Ava.
what the
One
Whoa!
for
What kind of roller coaster?
Vitowski.
Oh.
That's 2 for Ava.
Wow.
Guys, this is not rigged.
One more for Ava, and she the winner. Ha!
Is it
Patrick.
Oh!
2 to 1. Oh, okay. Here we go. Patrick.
Holy!
This is crazy. Here we go. Last one. The winner of the 2021 Who Gets the $1,000 is Adam.
Adam.
What?
No, I wrote with a pink thing. Who
I
voted
voted
for me?
you. I did. I messed up.
Oh my god.
So no one gets it.
I think we should let Adam back in. Okay, here we go.
If we're going back
I'll
in,
vote
I'll
right
go
now.
back
I'll finish it. I
Wait,
think.
but what if we just split it?
I don't think
Yeah,
that
yeah,
means.
I'm fine.
No. Wait a minute. That's not against rules.
No,
split.
that's power right there.
Yeah, 3-way split.
3-way.
Oh, we're all gonna vote.
Oh my god.
That was.
I'm
I didn't know that was
down to
against
split
the
it and cater Chipotle immediately.
Oh, okay.
I
I'm cool.
got
That's
it.
good.
Okay. We'll say that's
You know what? We're all winners here.
I'm also down to split. Yeah.
Yay! Democracy.
Adam, you are not in this.
All right, guys, thank you for joining me on this. I hope you got something out of it. A new friend.
I did it. I'm still.
Well, everyone's getting Chipotle, so hey!
Except Ava's mom.
Harsh, but true.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz. Por fin.